So we are back in EMMA 2024 for the next leg of the competition. This is the second day. We're going to take you through what's happening here. We have come in with two of our cars right now, with the Audi Q3 and another Honda Accord, which is taking part in different categories. There is the SQ OEM, which is a complete original fit the Audi Q3 has come for. And of course the Honda Accord is taking part in a high category, which is Master 5000. So we will take you through the day today as we progress, and we'll show you the cars and everything and what's happening here. So now we are here at the judging area, basically the evaluation area, where they're going to come and check out our car. So right now we're doing the final prep for the Audi Q3. This is taking part in the skilled category, skilled OEM. OEM meaning that all the components, the amplifier, the speakers, everything is not visible. It's all in the original stock location where it's meant to be. So this has a three-way setup along with a subwoofer, ARC audio, 10-channel amplifier, DSP and a monoblock. So we have come to compete. Last year this was the EMMA winner. This is the skilled OEM EMMA winner for last year. And this year we've come with our fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. So our judge is coming on the way and he's going to come and check out the car and let us know how he likes it. Oxygen-free copper wiring. All the terminals are basically terminated off properly, so it's a total professional job. So we have also got our, wiring diagram as well as how things are connected over here. Audible physics speakers. Then it has got a couple of ARC audio amps. One is a DSP amplifier, and then there's a Adair audio subwoofer. So this is what is running in the setup. We're taking part in Master 5000 category.
You have a front sub as well, right?
Yes, we do have a front sub as well, which is a ARC audio sub. So let's hope for the best.
Thank you.
So right now we are at the judging arena, basically in the parking lot, and this is our skilled OEM car. Basically this is an Audi Q3 which we had built in the skilled category, and it's called OEM because in this category we cannot basically change the speaker locations. Everything has to be in its original slot. No wires should be visible, the amplifiers, none of the equipment should be visible, and it should be all there in its original place. So that category this is taking part in. This is the winner from last year for skilled OEM. So in this same category we won last year. This year we've come with a better setup. So let's hope for the best. We are waiting for the judges. They've come and taken an initial look, but the complete judging process is not completed. So I'll keep you posted. I'll show you more. Now the judging has been complete for the Audi Q3 and we've got some good feedback about the car. The judge came and checked the sound staging, the connections, the wiring, the cleanliness, the labeling of connections, all of that they checked. And right now they've given us some good marks for it. So let's hope for the best. We will get to know in the evening whether we're getting a prize or not. But yeah, we've tried our best and this car has done very well for us. So we are here now for the judging stage. So the sound quality judging is just going to start for our Honda Accord car. We've kept it ready, fully clean on display. The international judge will come and then evaluate our car and how well it sounds and stuff, the staging and everything. So the sound quality testing is going to happen now. So we'll show you more after that is over. Now all of the judging process is complete for this car. We have got very good positive feedback from the judges. They actually loved the sound quality it produced. We were commented that it's one of the few cars which sounded like that today. So that was really nice hearing that. And for installation, we almost got full points. Basically, we had taken up a really strong effort to build this car with sleeving each wire, terminating the wires cleanly, passing the cables in a neat manner, tagging them, putting rubber grommets, a lot of technical stuff. So we had done all of it on this car and that has paid off. So we did get a very good response. The judges were a little more strict this time because the standards that EMMA maintains globally is very, very strict. And today it feels good. that, being compared to the world's best, we are getting good points. So yes, we will go to the award ceremony now. We have got our fingers crossed. Some vehicles did better than expected. Some vehicles did poorer than expected. Sometimes it's luck. So we will see now what next. Finally, the results are in. So we won some awards in two categories with our Honda Accord over here and the Audi Q3. So we took part in the Master category and the ST category. So we won two awards today. Some unfortunate situations happened with a couple of our cars, and I would take responsibility for maybe little less preparation than what was needed. But then there was a great result where we actually did first and third place. So trophies are here. It's worth all the ordeal and building all these cars, and the whole team is happy, and we look forward to the next time our competition to do even better.